Yeah. What is it? Change a valve? Washer?
Yeah, I put a new valve in it, so.
Oh, you put a... Oh, you can explain it. So this was reversed and now
It
it's...
shows the two yellow lights.
Two yellow lights that mean correct wiring. Oh, okay. So this was reversed. Okay.
Yep.
That, not the top one, no?
No, well,
I don't
it's all
remember.
the same.
It's all the same. Oh, yeah, it's all
Yeah.
the same. You're right.
Yep.
Cool. Perfect.
And in the shower, turn this light on.
Oh, yeah. This thing like blew up on me.
Yeah, that thing was just plugged, so I just put a new shower head in.
Oh, cool. I like it. I like everything. I open it, I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, that's fine. I mean, wow.
I mean, we can leave them run for a while. I'll show you the other stuff.
Oh, yeah. Hold on. Yeah, let's leave it out because it was this one.
You're up there.
Oh, I don't know. that's hard
But
to do.
that's what it was.
Hold on. So you change
That one.
that
yeah.
one. Cool. All right. Good. Good. I don't. All right. That's the old one. There you go. It's like a... It's been running for a while. I don't know. This thing. Huh. Seems pretty good. I don't know. I don't see any.
Yeah, I mean, I don't
know.
And there's just a nut, and you just screw that nut down. So, you know, I'll put some more on it.
Yeah. Yeah, I see what you mean.
Yeah, I'll put some more on it.
Okay.
I'll make sure.
That, I know. You're.
Because I don't wind up.
I know. Don't worry about it. Yeah, this is. And thank you for letting me in. I appreciate it. Oh, yeah, washer and dryers there.
Next one's for sure.
Cool.
Yeah, when we moved in here,
Oh,
all the furniture was left. So we kept
oh, they're cute.
these pictures. We didn't do anything with them. But
Okay.
I think he'll
Yeah, I like them. Yeah.
just keep them here.
Yeah.